YouTube, a platform bursting with videos. Did you know that every single day people upload over 720,000 hours of video to YouTube? That's a lot of videos. YouTube is a huge platform where anyone can share their thoughts, talents, and stories with the world. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, YouTube offers an incredible opportunity to connect with a global audience. Uploading your first video can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to share your content with the world. So, get ready to become a part of the YouTube community and let your creativity shine. As a new content creator, YouTube can feel overwhelming at first. There are so many buttons, settings, and options that it's easy to get lost. Don't worry, we've all been there. One of the most common challenges beginners face is understanding the technical aspects of the platform. From video formats to thumbnail dimensions, there's a lot to learn. But fear not, this guide will break down the essentials in a clear and concise way. By the end, you'll be uploading videos like a pro. Uploading your first video might seem scary, but it's easier than you think. Start by creating a free YouTube account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a button that says Upload Video. Click it and you're ready to go. Next, choose the video file you want to upload from your computer. Make sure it's in a format that YouTube supports like MP4 or MOV. While your video is uploading, give it a catchy title and a clear description. Don't forget to add tags. Tags are keywords that help people find your video when they search on YouTube. Use relevant words that describe your content. Section 4. Uploading your video, a step-by-step guide. Now, choose a captivating thumbnail for your video. The thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make it eye-catching. You can select a still from your video or create a custom thumbnail. Next, decide on your video's privacy settings. You can make it public, private, or unlisted. Public videos can be seen by anyone. Private videos are only visible to you, and unlisted videos can be shared with anyone who has the link. Once you're happy with everything, hit the publish button. Congratulations, you've just uploaded your first YouTube video. Section 5. Congratulations. Now let's get your video seen. Your video is now live on YouTube, but the journey doesn't end there. To make sure your content gets seen by as many people as possible, it's essential to optimize it for reach. This means using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags, as well as creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Promote your video on your other social media channels and interact with your viewers in the comments section. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality videos you upload, the more viewers you'll attract. Now that you know the basics of uploading a video to YouTube, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Go ahead, share your story with the world, and don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know how your first upload goes. Happy YouTubing!